So there's the Ripple plant-based half and half. I'm gonna try that, but try three. So this one's gonna be the vegan one, which I'm super excited. I'm gonna be trying this one as well for all you vegan junkies out there, just like me. So I'm gonna be trying this one as well. For this, you would need a vegan or plant-based half and half, which I got it. This is really rare to get, but you do get it. If you don't have this, you just use cashew milk or coconut milk, because those are vegan and dairy free, so you can use that and make an ice cream. I usually don't like coconut. I don't like the taste of coconut, but I'm still gonna if you have no other alternative, that's all you're gonna use. So this one's Ripple. This one I got it for 99 cents. Can you believe that? It's just 99 cents. So, and the funny thing is it says dairy free as it should be. Sounds like a Thanos dialogue or something that Thanos would say, as things should be. Anyways, half and half. This one's let me check how much is it. It's again a pint, which is 16 ounces, and I'm gonna use So Delicious dairy free as well, just so that it'll get a little bit extra volume. This is the coconut milk one. Again, this is certified vegan. If you don't have coconut milk, you can use flax milk, you can use almond milk, cashew milk, but preferably cashew milk or coconut milk because it's thicker. Like I said, not 2% milk or 1% milk, because it's a lot thinner. So again, the same recipe, the same thing. Use the whole half and half, boil it, add the milk, sugar, vanilla extract. This already is flavored vanilla, but I'm still going to add 1 teaspoon instead of 2 teaspoons. So yay. So anyways, I forgot to press the red button. Stupid me. Anyways, so I added the whole half and half Ripple half and half. I just dunked it in. There's still a lot left. Just dunk it in. Okay, and I'm gonna add half a cup or quarter cup of So Delicious organic milk. Just gonna add it in there just to have a little bit extra flavor. Oh, quarter way through. Okay, just add that a bit. Coconut milk, like I mentioned, is thicker. You can also use cashew milk. Just add it in there. Both the coconut milk and the Ripple is vanilla flavored. So to this boiling mixture, I want to keep all the ingredients gluten-free and vegan-free. So I will not be using butter. I'll be using margarine, the Blue Bonnet Light, and I'll be using again 1 teaspoon of that. Cut it. So I'm just gonna cut it. Can't find the knife, but whatever. So I've just dunked that in, so it's gonna melt with the boiling mixture. To this, I will need to add sugar and cornstarch. So let me add sugar first. Again, I'm gonna add less sugar because it already is sweet. So I'm just gonna dunk again half a cup, 1/4 of a cup. So just that much should be fine. Margarines have a bit higher melting point, so they don't melt as easily as butter because they're emulsified. Let's see if that works. Else I can take it out, no big deal. So I'm just gonna leave that. Next, you would need to add cornstarch. Again, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and with milk, so coconut milk. So just gonna add that in for thickening purpose. So I'm just gonna mix it first and then whip it. So make sure it all mixes it pretty well. Alright guys, now you see it's boiling. Just leave it for a boil. I should tell you one more thing, that it boiled a lot faster than the dairy half and half. This is my own recipe, so looking at those 2 recipes, I just got a plant-based half and half, coconut milk, a dollop of margarine, and you know, some cornstarch. All of them are gluten free, soy free, and dairy free. So people who have milk allergies and stuff like that don't need to worry. You can try this. Obviously at the end of the video there's going to be another video where I'm going to try all the 3 ice creams that I made today, and then try it and taste it, do a taste test and see which one's really good. Like I said, if you have cashew milk or cashew based half and half, it'll be really good. This one's plant based, it's actually pea protein. So if I just look at the ingredients real quick, it's just pea protein, and it's soy free, nut free, 100% vegan, gluten free, lactose free. The same thing with the coconut milk as well. It's like nut free, although coconut is a nut, but it's not categorized as a nut. So anyways, that is how it is. So if you want to make sure that you don't like coconut milk taste, you can actually buy Ripple milk, the same pea protein milk that's available in stores. Buy the half and half and the milk, and then try to make an ice cream out of it. It should be pretty good, I guess. But yeah, it's thick. I'm just gonna wait it for it to boil a bit and start whisking. Keep whisking it. You'll feel a bit of resistance, in the sense it's very hard to explain it or visualize it. In the sense, when you're whisking it, when you're first whisking it versus the last time you whisk it, you'll feel a lot more resistance because it's more creamier. So it'll be a lot harder to whisk it than you first whisk it. It won't be watery. So now you still see vapors, but it's a lot frothy. And this shouldn't be considered as a milk, because milk, you know, it sort of comes to a boil, whereas dairy free doesn't actually boil like milk. So it's a more higher temperature than milk, so you just have to wait for it. So right now it's forming, so it's coming to a boil. So now I'm just going to shut it up right there, shut it off, and then wait for it to cool. I'm going to be using so I'm going to cool it, put it in the refrigerator. Again, the same instructions as the dairy one. You got to whisk it every 2 hours, put it in the freezer, take it out, whisk it, put it in the refrigerator, take it out, whisk it, put it in the refrigerator. So you do it 3 times, so 6 hours. Yep. So let's do that, and we'll see what the final results are. Okay, I forgot to add vanilla. I'm gonna add vanilla. I've been cooking for 2 hours straight and I'm tired. So look at here, guys. The ice crystals is right here on the lid. But looks pretty cool. This is the 3rd time that I'm whisking it. No ice crystals, which is great. And this is the milk one. Just whisked it. So this is the plant-based one. This is the milk one. Don't see much of a difference except for the color. Obviously, I'm going to eat it tomorrow because I have to wait for another overnight setting. So I'm going to whisk it because it's thick. I'm just going to whisk it. I'm going to do this for 2 minutes. And I'm very happy that there are no ice crystals, so it's just cream. So very happy about that. I'll do the same thing for the plant-based one once I clean the whisk, obviously. So I don't want any plant-based, any milk in there, so I'm trying to keep it clean. Also for the whipped one, I just whipped it, but for the video, it's really thick. Obviously this is the plant-based one. You can just see the stiff peaks over here. It's much stiffer than the milk one. I hope they taste good. I haven't actually tasted it since the time I was making it, so you can just see the jiggle, the wiggle. So this is the third one. So every 2 hours I did this. Sorry, let me home the camera. Every 2 hours I did this, and you know, that's the result. So it's like really thick and creamy. Just whisking it. Anyways, for the camera, whisk, 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 whisk. I did this for 2 minutes straight. I think that's enough. Right. Don't want to leave any residue, but that's about it. Alright, so tomorrow will be a new day. I'm going to taste all the 3 of them and give you the final verdict. It's a really tiring and excruciating experience. I'll wake up tomorrow and taste it, so let's see. Excited.